Article 12. Circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. Paragraph 1. An imbecile an innocent person unless the latter has acted during lucid interval. When the imbeciles or an innocent person has committed an act which the law defines as a felony. The court shall order his confinement in one of the hospital or asylums established on person thus afflicted, which we shall not be permitted to live without first obtaining the permission of the same court. Second paragraph. A person under 9 years of age. Paragraph 3. A person over 9 years of age and under 15, unless he has acted with discernment, in which case such minor shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provision of Article 80 of this Code. When such a minor is adjudged to be criminal irresponsible, the court is conformity with the provision of this preceding paragraph, shall commit him to the care and custody of his family, shall not be changed his surveillance and educations, otherwise he shall be committed to the care of some institution or person mentioned in said Article 80. Paragraph 4. Any person who, while performing a lawful act with due care, causes an injury by mere accident without fault or intention of causing it. Paragraph 5. Any person who acts under the compulsion of irresistible force. Paragraph 6. Any person who acts under the impulse of uncontrollable fear and equal or greater injury. Paragraph 7. Any person who fails to perform of an act required by law when prevented by some lawful insufferable cause.